I love how we ended up here, right? And we were talking before about um, how basically I would say 12 years ago, right, since you started Clio, but even just over the pandemic, that we've seen such a change in how lawyers are trying to meet the expectations of their clients. And it is really true that a lot of these methodologies that were being deployed were really outdated and really didn't honestly meet the needs of the consumer. Um, but I see this everywhere, right? And I think that that's why Clio is so cool, is because you guys were really the first to take this sort of client centric, right? To
Yep.
steal the name of your book for a second, client centric approach, and really deploy it for law firms. Um, because I'll give you the most pertinent example for me, and I like to like use other examples to kind of give a good like analogy for how things work. It's sort of how I understand things. Um, and like today, I have the bug people come into my house. They're going to spray some natural, crazy pesticides on my lawn. It's safe for my dog. It's safe for kids. I don't have any kids. But if I had kids, it would be safe for them. Um, and I got a text message from them confirming that they were coming. They said, in this text message, you can reply to this with any special requests of where you would like us to go and, clean with like the brush or whatever. Um, Here's your bill. This is the online payment portal that you can go in and change your credit card and manage your. This is for bug spray. They come like 3 times a year to my house. I have a portal. I have text messaging services. They have an app. They email market me. Do you need anything?
Right. Yeah.
They have this whole. I don't even. It's an entire corporation of people who are just making sure that like I don't get bit by a bunch of mosquitoes in my backyard. Um,
Yeah.
and
No, it's huge, and it's a great example, and again, the kind of bizarre reality is that your local pest control people have better technology than the average law firm out there, right? Like if you went to go get some high stakes legal matter pursued, you're going to see less uh, less in the way of updates, text messaging, technology savviness from the average law firm than you would from your pest control company. And I'll give you another example just from another space. A friend of mine recently went through the process of selecting a new dentist, and again, to our comment previously about how consumers will select professionals they work with. He looked at dentists as pretty much a fungible commodity. I mean, they're all going to clean my teeth. They're all going to do kind of about the same job, which, like it or not, is the way that a lot of consumers look at legal services that they're getting. And what he prioritized in his selection process was, do they allow for online appointment setting, and do they have mobile connectivity where he can confirm appointments by text message and change them by text message. And the long and short of it being, he never wanted to receive a phone call from his dentist office. He never wanted to have one of those, your appointment's overdue, can we schedule you, and doing that calendar tag kind of process. And that was his sole criteria. So some dentist won his business forever just by differentiating on the technology. And this is another important point I make in the book, which is, as a lawyer, you've done the hard work. You've gone to law school. You've gotten a law degree. You've passed the bar exam. You've accomplished something a vanishingly small portion of human beings ever accomplish in their lives. The easy work is actually thinking about how you differentiate the great legal product you'll deliver by wrapping it in this effortless experience and wrapping it in this client-centered experience.